my channel. Today we are going to learn about simple present tense and we are going to do the practice together. Let's start. Do you still remember the rules in simple present tense? We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly and also for general truth. In this lesson, I am going to explain the simple present tense topic into three parts. The first part, I'm going to explain about the action verbs. If you use the subject pronouns I, we, you, and they, the action verbs remain the original. That means you don't have to add s, es, or ies. However, if you use the subject pronouns he, she, it, we have to add s, es, or ies, depending on the verb. So, we are going to focus more on he, she, it. In general, for he, she, it, we add s to the action verbs. For example, work, works, eat, eats, play, plays, swim, swims, write, writes, bake, bakes. For the verbs ending in consonant plus y, we need to change y into I and we have to add es. Study, studies. Cry, cries. Try, tries. Spy, spies. Fly, flies. Fry, fries. For the verbs ending in sh, tch, x, ss, we need to add es. Wash, washes. Watch, watches. Mix, mixes. Miss, misses. However, for go become goes and do become does. Alright, now let's look at the verb to be. For the verb to be, it depends on the pronoun that you are using. For example, if you use I, the verb to be is am. For we, you, they, the cities, Jim and Anne, we use are. For he, she, it, the city, and we use is. So we can say that if we use plural subject pronouns, we, you, they, the cities, Jim and Anne, we use are. For singular subject pronouns like he, she, it, the city, and we use is. Except for I. I always together with am. For verb to have, if you use the subject pronouns I, we, you, they, the birds, Jim and Anne, we use the verb to have. If you use he, she, it, the verb, and, which is singular, we use has. Alright, now let's try to do this exercise together. You can refer to your textbook, page 49. You can jot down the answer in your exercise book. Don't worry, we will discuss it together. Now, let's discuss together. Here it is. How are you? I hope that you are fine. As you, in brackets, know, my family and I are at Krabi, Thailand. So, first of all, you need to look at the subject pronoun. Here, the subject pronoun in this sentence is you. So, look at the verb in bracket. The verb is know. If you still remember the table that I have mentioned earlier, if you use the subject pronoun you don't have to change anything to the verb. So the verb know remains the same. Krabi, in bracket, is a small town. Okay, now we look at Krabi. Krabi is a place in Thailand and it is only one. So we can replace Krabi with it. And look at the verb in the bracket here, be. So you have to use either am, is or are. So which one is suitable? The answer is. Krabi is a small town. Every morning, my family and I, in bracket, wake up early to see the sunrise and we, in bracket, jog along the sea. Alright, so first of all, we look at my family and I. My family and I is in plural, or we can also replace my family and I as we. So, for the subject pronoun we, look at the verb here, wake. So we don't have to change anything. So the verb wake remains as it is. Next, we look at the subject pronoun we. We jog along the sea. So again, we don't have to change anything to the verb jog. Then we, in bracket, eat breakfast at a cafe. So look at we. So for subject pronoun we don't have to change anything to the verb. So the verb eat remains the same. My father usually, in bracket, order the local coffee. Okay, we look at the subject, my father. So my father here is only one, or we can replace it with he. So if we use he, what happened to the verb? Yes, you need to add s, es, or ies. For the verb order, you just need to add s. So, it should be orders. My father usually orders the local coffee. Next, the coffee here, in bracket is aromatic and tasty. When we look at the subject, the coffee. The coffee here, we can replace it with it. So, for the subject pronoun it, we use is for the verb to be. So the answer is the coffee here is aromatic and tasty. Okay, next paragraph. People in Krabi, in bracket, be very friendly. So we look at people. People here is in plural form. So, what happened to the verb to be? Yes, we have to use are. People in Krabi are very friendly. They always smile at us. Now we look at they. So when we use they, what happened to the verb? Yes, the verb smile remains as it is. No changes for smile. Okay? Next, many tourists love to come to Krabi. They, in bracket, like to buy clothes and souvenirs. Okay, we look at they. So, what happened to the verb if we use they? Yes, the verb like remain the same. Okay, so the last paragraph. Hope you are having a good time too. We will be back home next Monday. Till we meet again. Bye. Love, Lee Ann. Alright, so I hope you understand my explanation and I hope that it will help you in doing the exercise. Okay, let's look at the next part. Try to do it on your own. Complete the story with the correct verbs in simple present tense. You can refer to your textbook, page 49. So here are the pictures given, and what you have to do is just complete the story with the correct verbs. Look at the verbs in bracket. Just like what we did just now, you have to add s, es or ies to the verbs, or the verb remain the same. That means you don't have to change anything. But please remember, look at the subject pronoun. Alright, so you can pause this video to copy the story and please do both exercises in your exercise book as assigned by your teacher. Okay, so we have come to the end of the lesson. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy learning English with me. See you next time. Bye!